Some people were asking about how the pendulum hooks to this clock. It's that Hubert Herr cuckoo clock, shelf cuckoo clock that I recently acquired. It was made somewhere around 1970 per my Black Boars group expert, give or take 10 years. The hands are not original to the clock, if you watched my first video, but the let's go ahead and turn it around. As you can see, it's in beat. It's just that the pendulum leader wire came out of the foot. And as you can see, I always love these shirts. This is my 1880 Alexander Fleig clock. That is the biggest cuckoo clock that I have. And it was a shirt designed with my inputs by Seth Lingelters. It says, "Not for sale, it's my children's inheritance." What better way to show the love for your passion, to advertise your passion? I get people commenting on my shirts all the time. So get with Seth Lingelters. Let him design you a shirt from one of his, from one of your clocks that you love. You could buy this shirt and many other shirts on Redbubble, and I will leave a link in the description of this video and leave a link to Seth's YouTube channel at the end of this video. If you do nothing else, please hit the subscribe button to his YouTube channel. He is very professional. I wish my videos were as professional as Seth's videos. He doesn't put as many videos out as I do, and that's because he takes the time to edit, to create professional videos. He gives you the history of the clocks, as much history as he knows and can find, but his videos are extremely professional. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to his YouTube channel. Even if you don't order a shirt or have Seth design you a shirt, at least hit the subscribe button. And may God bless each and every one of you. But as you can see, the pendulum, the clock is in beat. It sounds pretty good. Well, let me go ahead and shut this off. While working on the clock, I misplaced the hook. I don't know where it's at. But all it is a simple wire such as this that I recreated that hooks to the pendulum leader wire, and it's just 1.5 ounce maybe. It's got 1.5 on it, not for sure. The weight, it's not that heavy. It's not that big of a pendulum bob, but it just connects to the pendulum leader as all it is. So Like I said, I misplaced the original wire. I looked all over my desk. I don't know what I did with it. It went into no man's land. And if you work on clocks enough, you will find that no man's land has taken a lot of your parts. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and may God bless. One time with the cuckoo, spring-driven clock, the spring probably needs replaced, but until it completely worn out, I'm not going to replace it. That's what I like about weight-driven clocks versus spring-driven clocks. Weight-driven clocks are, in my own opinion, are more accurate than spring-driven clocks because it's a constant weight that is going down. With the spring-driven clock, as long as the spring is nice and tight, you will get a different action. But as the spring loosens up, you will get less action. So as the spring wears out and it's not as accurate, or if it's a strike clock or a chime clock, the strike or chimes will not be as normal as they are with the spring wound all the way up. But that just goes to say, with the weight-driven clock, you have to have the wall space. But with a shelf clock, you have to have the shelf space. So depending on what kind of space you got in your house, I guess, depending on what kind of clocks you want. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm very pleased with this clock. It's a beautiful clock. It's not an antique clock, but it is made by Hubert Herr. And I didn't have a shelf clock, cuckoo clock. I wanted a shelf cuckoo clock. And I paid my friend $100 for his clock. He didn't pay near that much, but I go down, help him out. He offers to pay for my gas and for my time. I don't want it. His money. Just his friendship. But he does typically give me clocks. There's a whole stack of clocks that he has given me. They're novelty. Most of them are quarter-hour cuckoo clocks, but he gives me clocks all the time. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and may God bless each and every one of you.